Hey gang, welcome back to OPA'S Diecast Restoration. Today we're going to clean up and redo this Hot Wheels Brit Speed, it's called. Before we do though, if you like this video, please hit that thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, please. It's kind of scuffed up, dirty. It was the second car that I was given from a find at U-Haul. I think you remember my Hot Wheels drift stuff. This was the mate to it that I received. It had two rivets in it. One to hold the metal body to the base, and one to hold the engine to the base. Had to struggle a little bit to get it off the plastic fenders. There's the two metal pieces involved, the motor and the body. Put a little Arl on it, hit it with the tap, get it ready for the button screws. I don't show it, but I did clean up the post so it went back together a lot easier. Time for our favorite stripper. Shake it, do not break it. Get all the plastic pieces cleaned up. Like I said, it was in good condition, not like the other one. You dummy. Raise it up. Move it over. There you go. Yes, old dog can be trained. There wasn't much to this, like I said, but here's everything ready. I detailed the seat, the steering wheel, and the dashboard. Here's what we started with. Dirty, scuffed up, definitely played with. Hot Wheels Brit Speed. Here's what I ended up with. Burgundy metallic body, British green fenders and sideboards. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. For now, this is OPA driving into the sunset and saying goodbye.